Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Beautiful start to the morning. We'll look for a pickup temperature for the kids at the bus stop at about 49 degrees or so. Cool but dry out there. As the sun rises, our temperatures will too. And the drop-off temperature afternoon time about 70 degrees, sunny, dry. We'll look for those temperatures to continue to rise through the morning hours to about 52 degrees by 9 under mostly sunny skies. Commute time looks absolutely great. 62 by noon, 70 as I mentioned by about 3 o'clock, and then by 7, 62 degrees. Temperatures again this evening will fall off, but not probably as quickly as they did last evening because the winds are going to be a little bit breezy over the next several mornings, several days in fact. 51 degrees the air temperature. We have a 12-mile-an-hour wind already out of the northeast. Small craft advisories are up for this morning, for the afternoon, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see at the bare minimum an exercise caution statement for this evening. Probably a small craft advisory. Certainly tomorrow the winds will be breezy as well. Dew point still dry at 35. Low relative humidity making it feel pretty comfortable out there. Future cast hour by hour through the day, taking you to about 12 noon. Lunchtime, we're looking at a little bit of fair weather cloudiness around perhaps, but that's all right. That cloudiness is high, thin clouds for the most part, and as we head into the evening hours, it will just help enhance the sunset again tonight. We've had a couple of nights of just spectacular sunsets thanks to this high cloudiness around. No rain in the forecast despite the clouds today or tomorrow. Saturday and Sunday, different story. We have an area of low pressure beginning to develop in the western Gulf waters. That will gradually move to the eastern Gulf waters. This takes us to Friday, but by Saturday, I think we'll probably start clouding up and have a chance of rain showers. Then on Sunday, this front could be a problem for us. We'll be watching that kind of take shape over the course of the next several days and fine-tune the forecast for you. Quiet on radar and will be all day today. High thin clouds streaming across the region. Watching this area in the western Gulf for any kind of low pressure development there. Weather highlights include this high pressure ridge scooting a little bit further to the east, and as it does that, our winds become increasingly easterly and strong. Also, that low pressure area at the surface back in the western Gulf will give us breezy conditions for the next 2 days. Sunny skies, though, for at least several days with that high thin cloudiness around. And then warm up starting as early as tomorrow takes us into the upper 70s as we get into the weekend. So it'll be a nice warm weekend, but it could be kind of wet as well. North winds switching to the northeast at about 10 to 15, and the forecast looks like this. We'll have a daytime high today topping out at about a comfortable 70. Tomorrow warmer still at 75. Positively steamy on Saturday with a daytime high near 80, 20% chance of showers then. But it's Sunday when all systems kind of come together, giving us at least an 80% chance of storminess. Some of those storms could drop half an inch of rain, and it could be kind of an all-day sort of on and off event. So we'll be monitoring that pretty carefully. First alert weather day on Sunday. Then the front moves through, clears us out, and cools us off.